11. What's wrong with nostalgia? When it comes to nostalgia, I plead not guilty. I want no part of it. I'm sure there were a great many good things in the past, but I like today better, and I shall enjoy tomorrow even more. I know we live in troubled times, and I expect very serious troubles in the years just ahead, but I believe that God is on the throne of the universe, and I like his government. One of the things which irks me every winter is the happy and silly nostalgia about horse-drawn sleighs. At Christmas, we hear about sleigh bells in the snow. Usually some magazine will include a romantic painting about happy, singing people on a sleigh ride. I visited someone who almost reverently showed me a recent buy, authentic sleigh bells. Now, let me tell you the truth about sleighs. I know them firsthand from life in the high mountain country some years back. Sleighs are one of the most miserable ways to travel ever devised by man. Nothing can chill you more than a sleigh ride. You're open to the cold, freezing air, and it cuts you like a knife as you go dashing through the snow. You have a choice. If you go fast, the cold air cuts and chaps your face in a hurry and leaves you gasping for air. But the air is ice cold and your breath leaves little icicles in your nose and eyebrows. If you go slow, then, in spite of all your clothes and robes, you turn slowly into a human icicle, numb and cold. There is no hearty ho 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 left in you. But there's much worse. Dragging a sleigh through and over snow-covered roads and fields is particularly hard work for the horses. Among other things, it makes the horses very gassy. As you handle the reins, your nose is on the same level as and directly behind the horse's rear ends. I leave the rest to your tender imagination. The one question in your mind is this: will I die of asphyxiation, or will I freeze to death? There must be, you tell yourself, a less painful way to go. No, not nostalgia for me. Give me a good, well-heated automobile to drive with my wife by my side, and I feel far more romantic and much more a free man than I ever felt in an ice-cold sleigh with my nose under a horse's rear end. I like progress, and I want more of it. It gives me freedom, and I like freedom. I can feel very romantic about freedom. Freedom is the air I want to breathe. This is why I prefer the present and the future to the past. I want to make the present more free and the future a good and free one for my children and grandchildren. I cannot do so by perpetuating silly romantic myths about the past. For all our problems today, the preferred world for me is the here and now. This is where I am alive.